I got Dawn on my inside.
So many people moving. I was in first gear. Cam fell over.
Sick one. Nice one, Jen.
Oh, Matteo.
Cam fell over on this trip. Oh,
I
still
just thought.
Can I get back on the fucking track or what? Ah, JV makes the fucking track impossible to get back on.
Let's go, Bola Bay!
They make me nervous because I haven't played this. I'm scared of the track.
Same.
I'm god I am.
Neon P14, then white P17.
Fuck, I've got the line. Oh. Late transfer to the line. It's alright. I'm ready to outside.
Oh, fuck.
But then like outside's way better, like the whole outside.
Was it 46-3? Might win tonight now.
Oh my god.
I forgot to start my recording again, by the way. It's kind of crazy for me. I'm too scared to take my hand off my control.
No, I wouldn't do it on this track. It's not worth the risk.
Yeah, do it over the big quad.
Is it called on this track?
No.
Oh my god, Matteo. Top 10 reasons why Oscar is still a retard. And so is Dorian? Oh wait, no, that was not Dorian. Probably not who it was.
Dorian's still a retard, I don't care. Fuck you.
Like, my god, man. Matteo! Sorry, Hackabob. What is Matteo doing? I put 10.
I put 10.5. You didn't know, man. Hit the gas.
Did you have 9.5 still, Alcon?
Lino! Oh my god, who's this then? Dorian. Fucking Lino.
And Tyler has a 20-second lead 5 minutes into the race. What the fuck, man?
It's actually 20.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Fire.
Hacker, did you have 9.5 litres of fuel? Or did you change it? Right, so if I run out, you run out too. Because right now I'm quite scared because I'm at 8.2 already after like 3 laps. Should be alright, shouldn't I?
Oh my god.
9.5 should be enough. That's a lot more than I ran at Hookstone. Yes, I used 0.3 that lap.
Oh. Fucking hell.
Feeling my idea's kind of working. Put a good start and hope Kang fucking fox it, and after 3 laps I have 18 seconds. I'm loving this. I should literally just have a good one tonight. And I'm not recording either. I'm going to start it instead. I can just roll down the straight for a second.
I keep forgetting
I'm
to go up
recording.
right there to the end. I worked quite the same. I'm lots of 92 on
I did a bit of a dump. Oh shit, I'm down hard. Oh, yeah, keep flipping. Uh-oh.
Oh.
I just had a massive crash. Holy shit. I got too tight, hit a tough block and did it 8 flips. I lost 6 seconds, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Low trying to look back while I'm riding on this fucking sandbag.
Less of what I've just done and I'll be fine. I did run a
This is
48.
literally a consistency race.
Hope so. Other than that one crash, I should be okay. But it dropped to like what, 16 seconds? Hopefully. They're them tough block crashes, like just avoid them. It's sand as well, so I feel like you do more flips.
Just get more finish.
Really.
Is that a radar? My idea's working. Crazy. A bit better than I thought because I said he wins race 1. What's my lead now?
12 over me while I'm back.
Okay, Billy won. That was all in that one crash too, so.
I just moved him out the way.
Did not do a very good first victory, but
Huh? What did you say, Bola?
said I had the worst first sector this lap too.
Yeah, I noticed. I called 0.9 in sector 2.
Went over the rock for the mechanic straight. Look, going for the inside. Yeah, look, I'm 3 seconds up already.
Oh shit.
I said I'd be happy with a podium, so it's going quite well. And I think I should be okay on fuel.
And just chasing me. I'm not really gaining, I'm not losing either. Not bad.
Don't
Did you
make
read that?
Yeah. Fucking cheers.
Oh, tough box.
No way you just hit a tough block and save it.
I just landed straight to this, so I just came to a dead stop. I'm 3 seconds down on my lap now.
It didn't pass you.
You must have made a mistake as well. You're behind Ken's Stignetti.
Yeah. Catching him.
Oh, why is that? Yeah, it's getting past me now.
I'm like 3 seconds behind you.
I need to itch my nipple.
Fuck no. I know it. My nipple is itching now, fuck no.
Oh, I need to see if he's live. Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Oh, he is live. Holy shit.
Comes down.
Yeah, but wait to do it because I have an ad. 15 seconds.
Wait to do it, I have an ad, that's crazy.
It's not gonna be right if I don't hear. Ah, putan! Yeah, it's just. Oh my god, this is miserable.
Oh my god. Wait, guys. Are we gonna freaking do it again? Maybe? 1, 2, 3?
Oh,
Are you still second?
Yeah?
I'm
Team
really
one,
glad to do
third.
that.
And Hackabomb can get 4th? Or pass one of us? I don't give a care. I just want us to be
I just
alive.
said 47 that last, decent.
I said 46 now, but like 50 cuts. No, I didn't actually. Just looked ahead of time.
Oscar left, by the way, so one less hazard.
One
Took you
less
off,
blue
yeah.
flag bike.
It's the best thing he's ever done, isn't it?
Let's go home.
Is Cam buried? Or did he leave?
Is he not? Let's go! I'm down, inside. Look.
I'm down outside, bro.
Sit down.
I was in the bar here. I was on the 45, fuck's sake. What the fuck? Just have 2 crashes in the lap.
I'm about to lap Jams again, let's see if he fucking moves this time. Jams. Jones, what the fuck are you doing? Oh my god, bro, that's zero awareness. He just was going for the inside and just stopped.
Oh my god, man. That inside after like the star straight is so sketchy sometimes.
Pins down. Yeah, you can't keep up with the space.
I just seen Jumps look back while he's actually moving today.
I just watched Dorian scrub the finish and he was just staring at the ground.
Yeah, that's how he scrubs. It's so weird.
There's no way like someone looks at that and goes, yeah, this is sick.
Oh my god. I can't make it over that window anymore.
Can't say I feel the same because I don't have a t-shirt on right now. Fire.
Blood is fully sweating.
Nah, I haven't had a t-shirt on all day. My mum's trying to fucking drown me in my room. I had the heating on literally full blast all day.
Like that line
I'm
at the bottom.
fucking melted.
I bounce into the inside road and then bounce into the rod. I've been doing that now for a while. Dang, barking. Just grease that. Are you still just going outside here?
Dorian's just running like straight 150s.
Fire. I didn't notice that. I'm at 5 litres and we're halfway in now. Now I'm up.
What happened?
Captain, in or gone?
Do what?
Shut the fuck up.
Fucking hell. I love when I lap people and I just sit on my arse. Like, it's so fun. I love that. And then I'll get behind him and I'll crash again. It's that kid who keeps asking for everyone to fucking settle, but that's like training from you.
What the fuck? Where am I? I'm in a fucking cave.
What?
I just respawned and it was fucking black all around me.
Blah, 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 blah.
Okay, now fuck off. Those 20 seconds on the fuck.
I still don't see Cam in the top 10, by the way.
What's my gap now, Dylan?
15? Yeah, it's 15 over me, Talibon.
Okay, mister. I've got 2 seconds of coach too.
Yeah. If I'm actually holding you up, let me know. Oh! I tapped my front wheel, I just know it's in the sky, man.
Swapped so fucking hard, I just went cross-eyed.
Cam's not even
no.
P10.
Oh no. Oh, jump spike almost took me out.
What a choke artist.
Putan!
Dude, how does he corner like this? I can't watch this. Hurts my head.
It's had a brain fart, doesn't it? I thought it was on the other track and I scrubbed something, but the track's different. And I just went into a bank.
Out my front foot again. Oh my god, that's so sketchy.
I've noticed you lose a lot more time to crashes on this track than any others.
I lost 20 seconds on one lap.
Like, I've had 2 crashes and I think them together are like 15 seconds. One of them was at 8.
Man just punt Dorian for the finish. What down?
Somebody in Cupcake's chat said you should change your name, it's gay.
I agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, here's Travis, 713.
The fact that I've made this many mistakes this lap and I'm still up on the top, my last lap is crazy.
Yeah, I've made some mistakes left as well. But they were third in point, right?
Nah.
Oh,
Right, but where's... I was at 4th.
oh my god, what are you doing, Yoda, you blackie?
Did you land it? Oh.
Ah,
Ben's a 50-second lead on second.
That's nuts.
Oh my god.
With 3 minutes to go.
That was expected though.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's still fucking crazy.
Yeah.
To actually see him
This
do it.
fucking lap
That's
is really shit.
disgusting.
It's like 8 people in one fucking. Kind of burn that lap too. Yeah, I went into fucking bank. Nothing big really. Oh, now I'm at river. I'm just getting chased by lappers and I hate it.
oh, it wasn't even Yoda that took me out, it was a fucking lapper.
I'll be just riding and then I just hear a fucking bike come flying on the inside.
Tyler 98, Southwest Racing, please move.
Oh, is that Tyler 98?
Yeah. Yeah, W.
I kind of want the Humble to move, but it's not looking great. There we go.
I went over one berm, I'm 2 seconds down.
Yeah, okay, nice. That tip look is just huge.
instead of.
Mate, I've had the worst lap. How do I crash on a 4-second car?
Nobody left her. There's Theo. I think Matteo's game crashed. He crashed in front of me and just despawned.
Finn's running straight 150s. He's running a faster pace than Dorian.
I'm running the same pace as Dorian when I crash. It's so fucking slow. Because I keep crashing.
Huh?
It didn't.
Oh, Max is out of view. He's doing it Tyler, just walking around the fucking map or the train.
Oh, that's my first crash in so long. Didn't use that much.
Put down alert. He just ripped a loud put down. I don't even know what it was about. I wasn't watching. It hurts my eyes. I can't do it. I'm just listening.
Yeah, this must be Dorian in front of me. Oh, and I crashed because he's taking some fucking stupid lines and I follow him. My hands fucking hurt so fuck. Oh my god, Lapper.
Oh, there's so many lappers in front of me. Like genuinely almost 10 or something, I don't know. Oh, come on.
You didn't get the cheater.
No! You forced me to the inside. I didn't even notice you were so close to me. I missed that inside and all of a sudden you were in front of me. And I'm down again. I'm fully throwing. from 7 second behind power to 19.
That's crazy from you.
God.
Final report, Finn won by 1 minute and 12 seconds. Oh wait, second finished. No, he's not done. Never mind. That's
Oh my
just a
god.
But they ran out of fuel, he was just standing on the side of the track.
We're not consistently 4 seconds slower than that.
Beer Murda on the AUFXR ride.
He was in Joy. How's he number 16?
Oh, that's the guy I traded with. He got number 99 and I traded with him.
To me. That's crazy from that guy.
So now some shitter has number 16.
But everyone's thinking the same what I'm thinking.
In front Arctis down on the outside.
Oh, yeah, and he fucked me over because I'm literally stuck. Oh, I hate Dorian, he always gets in my way. Every fucking race.
What is final lap?
Yeah. Just went on to now.
Okay, good.
Yeah, and I go over the bars like a fucking moron. I was coming and he fucking stood still. Like I took him out.
Oh, why did I hit that tough block? That's a lot of time in that crash. Yeah, I'm true.
I'm scared the fuck out of me, that fucking idiot. Okay, like this 10th time this there is, I go on the fucking horse. Can I reset?
What the fuck is he yelling Pluton about? Nothing happened.
I mean, we picked a good fuel hack on.